I've decided to challenge myself this year in 2026 to post a new makeup video every day. Every day. I'm about to challenge myself harder than I ever have with makeup this year. Committing to posting a new video every day honestly scares me, but I'm doing it anyway. I'm challenging myself to show up every day, even when I don't feel like it, even when the creativity isn't there. I really want to see what I'm capable of. I feel like posting every day will push me to be more creative and to get out of my comfort zone and to create new and unique makeup looks. And to make a challenge for myself that I can't back out of now since I've told everyone about it. If you're new here, I'm Kristen and I make creative makeup, SFX makeup, and Halloween makeup looks. It's scary, but it's also really exciting. I'm hoping to push myself to make more content and to try new and interesting things in makeup. Makeup is such a huge part of my life and I really want to see what happens when I fully commit to it. If you've been around for a while, you may have seen my Makeup Mashup Monday videos where I take two completely different looks and combine them into one. And I have really loved that series. Those are honestly some of my favorite videos to make because I don't know what I'm going to do until I sit down to do it. And then they also really push me creatively to try to combine two things together to make something completely unique. And I like to take more of that into 2026. So I'm going to be continuing to do those Makeup Mashup Mondays every Monday. As well as every Friday, I'm going to be doing a SFX video, something that's full color face paint or a character look or something that's really detailed. For the other days of the week, I'm going to be doing classic glam makeup looks every day, more natural makeup looks, some that are going to be more avant-garde and kind of crazy with crazy colors, and even gothic makeup looks, which are some of my favorite to do as well. And I'm also being honest with myself this year and deciding that I really want to focus on growing a following, but not just the numbers, but an actual community that loves makeup and loves to learn about makeup. People who actually enjoy new makeup trends, new makeup looks, anything to do with makeup and learning makeup. So if you like creative makeup looks or SFX makeup, or you just want to watch someone chase a really big goal, someone who's a little scared, but also very determined, I would love it if you guys would follow and see what we can do this year on my 2026 makeup journey.